JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your MoneyGram account. Registering your MoneyGram account has never been easier. So first you'll have to download your Google Play or your App Store or go to the website itself as you can see right here. First you'll have to register in the top right corner, placing your email address, of course, your password, confirming your password, and the password requirements are right here. So as you can see, you will have to select your phone number, of course, as according to your own actual place on where you live. If you live in New Zealand, of course, you will have to place a New Zealand phone number, and you'll have to opt in this. If you don't want, just uncheck it. Next, you'll have to place your first legal name and last legal name and middle and second last legal middle name if it's listed on the ID. I apologize for that, guys. So next is our date of birth, as you can see right here. You'll have to place your date of birth, your month, day, and year, and home billing address for your billing, and then you will have to place your own state and zip code, and you'll be able to create your profile in no time. So that is how you create and register your MoneyGram account. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.